Welcome to the Cybersky. Guess what came in the mail? I've got a whole collection. There's 4 cubes in this package from Roxenda. It's a speed cube set. And it comes with a 2x2, a 3x3, a 4x4, and a 5x5, all Roxenda speed cubes. So we're going to take a look at that. The Roxenda speed cube set. The box is a little bit beaten up because it got damage in shipping. I'm not going to worry too much about this box. Just rip it open. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this. Looks like it's got something extra in there. I don't know. Look, what is this? Wow, I got a little extra toy that came in the box. It says "Play Me." This is a surprise to me. I didn't even know this was coming in there. That's really interesting. All right, it's got some different things on it. So we'll check out that and see what that is. We've got a 2x2. Right. We've got a 3x3. Put the logo facing forward. Here we go. Give the company a little shout out. There's their logo. And we've got the 4x4. There we go. 4x4. Right there. And 5x5. To move this guy over a little bit. Okay, let's turn it. Side, let's see, orange, red. Let's make it look a little more colorful. Blue, yellow. Yeah, there we go. And there's something in the box. Whoa, secret tutorial for cubes. This looks impressive, guys. This is a really thick booklet. This is like I'm gonna tell you how many pages this is. See if it has page numbers. 121 pages. Holy crap, it's a little book. That's got a spine. It's got so many pages, got a spine. Some QI toys, secret tutorial for cubes for those who loves cubing. I loves cubing. Do you loves cubing too? It says Guangdong Kimu Mofungo Science and Technology Industrial Company Limited. Okay, that's really cool. Take a look at that. Okay, we'll just put that right there. Put this one right here. Now, the unboxing is incomplete until we remove the plastic. So we're going to start with the 2x2 cube, which I have 1 or 2 of these from a dollar store. Of course, I have the original from Rubiks. Nobody really likes turning those because they're so hard to turn. People just buy them to support Rubiks because that's the inventor of the cube. Wow, this is super loose. Oh my God, it's so smooth. Wow. It goes, it doesn't go, it goes, that's it. Slides. See that? Wow, this is nice. I'm totally mixing it up right now. Let's just scramble this. Okay. That's really nice. Let me do a little, this is nice. It's nice to try this. Nice. Okay, so let's put that down. Now let's go for the 3x3. I hope it's just as smooth. Kids are going to really want to use this. When my students come into the classroom, I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, middle school in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. When they come in, I have about 24 Rubiks brand Rubiks cubes, the old, crunchy ones. And, and then I have a few speed cubes that I bought either ordered online like these, or some just from a dollar store, and they're off brand, but they're smoother than the Rubiks brand. And the kids come in the room and they're like, "Mrs. Mercy, can I use your speed cube? Do you have a speed cube?" They want the looser ones because of course they feel a lot better. So let's give this a turn. Oh goodness, you don't understand. Wow. Okay. So before now I didn't have a favorite cube. I have to admit, this feels so good. This is better than any cube I've done this with. Wow, this is crazy. I have to actually spin it lightly because it's so easy to overturn because it's so smooth. I'm trying to see if there's magnets. It doesn't feel like there's magnets, but there is something stretchy that when you pull it, now see how flexible this cube is, much more than the other one. You can even see the inner mechanics of how the cube is put together. I'm trying to turn it at an angle that you guys can really see in there. But yeah, this is great. All right, we'll scramble this one and we'll come back later and solve them all. well. We'll solve the 2x2 and the 3x3. It would take me quite a while. I'm not fast with the 4x4 and the 5x5. I will film myself solving that one day, solving those just for the channel. But when I do that, I will do a time lapse so that you don't have to stay there for hours while I'm figuring it out. But let's open the 4x4 and the 5x5, and then we'll be done for today. I guess I can put this in front of the box right there. Yes, the 4x4 I learned on is a Rubiks brand crunchy 4x4. This one, oh, this is nice. It's just as smooth as the 3x3. Usually as you get higher, they would get more clunky. They get harder to turn. The 5x5 Rubiks brand and even the X Cube, you gotta, it's really hard to turn sometimes. But this is pretty good. Yeah. It was pretty good. I'm curious. I do want to look at that. These don't feel like they have magnets, but maybe they do. They feel so smooth. I don't know. Let's see how well they cut corners. Let's see that corner right there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty smooth. How about if I go the other way? Yeah. Okay, so you can cut that way, but not as much this way. All right. It's got some give though. All right, should I mix it up completely? I don't know. I'm afraid to. I think I'll leave that one like that. I don't have to solve it right away. Let's go to the 5x5. Again, I will film myself solving the 5x5 in the future. So subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified when that drops. But right now, it will take me about 2.5 hours. So I'm not going to do it right now. Let's do a little roo-roo. Yeah, this one, yeah, it's got more pieces, so it's easier for them to get misaligned the bigger your cube. So now it's not only about cutting corners, but even sometimes the middle pieces here will be slightly misaligned like that, right? And then you're trying to turn, but they're not, they're like hitting the jagged edges. So it's hard sometimes to get it up. So I think I'm going to actually mix this one up. I don't know. Should I? I don't know. Now I'll leave it solved for now. Okay. So there we have it. That's what came in the mail today.